In this video, I'm going to show you how to get backup codes for Gmail. So for us to get this done, I want you to head over here. What you're going to do is just tap your profile and then click manage your Google account. And after doing so, you have the security option right here. Go ahead and click this. And what you're going to do is scroll down here. You should be able to see here an option that says backup. If not, then what you're going to do is just click the authenticator right here. And then just go ahead and verify this one. So enter your password once again, and then just go ahead and verify this in your phone. So the first thing that you're going to do is enable the two-factor authentication. That is very important. So I'm just going to go ahead and scan this real quick. After doing so, I'm going to go ahead and tap the next and then try it out. So I'm going to try here. There you go. And then verify this one. All right, so now that I have added it, I can go ahead and click the turn on button right here and then click turn on two-step verification. All right, so there you go. Now what we're going to do is just tap the done button right here. And yep, now you have the option to get the backup code. So go ahead and click this one and then go ahead and click this. And there you go. So now you have 10 backup codes that you can use right now. You can go ahead and print this or download the codes. And that, everybody, is how you are going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day.